Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 10th, 2022. Monero. It's going to go higher, and I'm going to show you why. Basically, looking at the price chart. Yeah, check it out. I got a price prediction already here on my price chart, to which I was looking for the price in Monero to drop, and you guys can clearly tell that it didn't do it. That's one indication to tell you that the price in Monero is going to go up. You learn how to listen and pay attention to the market, and once the market actually gives you hints and drops clues to you, you need to pay attention. And I'm going to show you all that today on this video. So if you guys appreciate it, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well while you're at it, so you guys don't miss out whenever I upload my content to this platform. So now look, I did a video in Monero, and I'm going to be fully transparent with everyone who views my video. Yeah, I was playing the weakness into the market in Monero right there on the 31st of January. Here we are 10 days into the month of February, and the price, instead of going down, it went up. So yeah, I didn't get this right. Yep, fully transparent, being honest with everyone to show you that I get them wrong as well. I don't get everything 100% correct, but the majority of the time I do. So when the market gives you opposite information to what you were dealing with back in time, you need to pay attention. And that's what I'm going to do on this video. We're going to pay attention to the market. The market is speaking. When we did our video back in the 31st of January 2022, we saw weakness on the charts. Well, obviously the weakness has now disappeared and the market went the opposite direction. So yeah, I didn't get this right. You guys can see it's 27.32%. If you were to get out the market right now, it's 31, almost 32%. It goes that way. You live, you learn, you pay attention so that this don't happen to you often. So let me get rid of it and let me show you basically from different time frames. We are looking for the price in Monero to continue to go up. Now, you might be saying, okay, cool. You're seeing the price in Monero go up, right? Yes, that is going to be our prediction. But how high? See, that's another thing. You want to not overstay your welcome in these markets, because you may actually miss out on opportunities to where you could have grabbed the bag, could have grabbed profits, and moved on your merry way. Let's see this. Now, you guys can see I got two lines here on my chart, right? And so far, I think we all can generally agree, zooming out of this price chart, Monero is in a downtrend. Okay, so this prediction that I'm going to drop on this chart is not going to be massively bullish. Like, I'm not going to give you a price target of $500. No, because we can visually tell that this cryptocurrency is in a downtrend. So we're not going to be massively bullish. I'm telling you that right out from the gate. So the market is not necessarily that weak neither. We're taking opportunities to where the market dips, trade sideways, go up, dip again, trade sideways, go up, dip again, trade sideways, go up, dip again, right? This is the current movement of Monero. So we're not trading within these channels. So why am I going to keep these lines on my chart? There's no need for me to have so much confusion placed on price charts. That's why so many people lose out in the markets anyways, because they got so much going on. The chart looks too busy. Let's clean it up. Let me get rid of that, right? I don't like it. So we already have determined that the market buyers came in Monero right there around 140. That's right now. So considering that that's the case, we now know that this is where the buyers were willing to prop up the price. Second thing, you guys can tell that we are in a downtrend in the market in Monero, right? So let's go ahead and follow it. Let's create it. We're going to create a boundary as to how high we think this price is going to go. And I think you guys can see it now. From a daily perspective, this is what we're seeing as probable areas to where price can get rejected and come back down. Okay, so we got two areas that we could possibly see already. Let me show it to you. This is the first area of restriction right here into the market in Monero. Okay, 200. So we're about what, $15 away from the market seeing the introduction or the increasing ability of the market to get rejected, right? And that is if the market in Monero cracks back, or at least stays above $182, $181. If the market in the Monero, see, I'm reading you all the play. I'm showing you all what this market is trying to do. Right here, the market needs to trade above in order for us to have the prospects of price going up. The price has to stay above this level going forward, right? Price in the Monero has to stay above like $175 in order for us to see this continuation of moving higher. I'm showing you this right now. It has to, in order for us to come back up to this descending line. All right. Now, the market has achieved that so far. The market is now currently trading above 175. That is very good news because it tells us that this market is still trying to go up. Now, let me show you all the 3-day time frame here into the market in Monero. Okay. And the last 3-day price bar, you guys can see it is right here. Okay. So far, we are seeing the buyers consume whoever sold their Moneros into the market. We're seeing it right now. They're trying to continue to pursue this higher prices. Look at the price in the Monero on the 2-day. You guys can even see a little bit better that the market weakness in Monero did come through on the last 2 days. Yes, but the buyers were able to buy it up. That's why the price closed up there at the high of the bar. Which still lets us know that this market is trying to do what? Yeah, it's trying to go up. Pay attention to the market and it tells you exactly what it's trying to do. This is Monero on the 5-day time frame. Look how we ended on the last 5-day price bar. Look at that. This price is trying to go up. And we're going to continue to follow what the market is trying to do overall. So like I said, the first problem that we got is around $200 though. So during this price prediction, we would have to be prepared to take some profitability out the market around 200. That gives us 8%, right? If the market is able to break outside of that to 210 is the next area. That's around 13 and almost 13.5%. Market moving higher in Monero. Okay. And I can definitely see the strength here on the 5-day time frame. The market here in Monero is trying to go up. And this is how we're going to play this. Okay. So check this out. Let me hit this back over on the daily time frame and we're going to plot this on the chart. 175 is where the market in Monero really needs to keep the price up. But for me, I'm going to bring it all the way down here towards $166. Okay. Now, our first area of taking profits, PT, price target, is 200. Okay, so that's around 8% for us to see this price in Monero to go up. The next area is around 210. Okay, $210. That's the second area. That's around 13.5%. You guys can see it right here. Now, do you think the price is going to break outside of this descending line? That's the question. Do you think that there's enough momentum right now built up in the tank for Monero for it to break outside of this descending line? That is the biggest question that we need to see answered. As of right now, I don't think so. So I'm just going to keep my price target ultimately around 210. The first area is around 200 though. You guys have seen it. Let me zoom in again. You guys can see it a little bit better as to what we're looking forward to. Okay. Right there. 200, then 210. Now it's your turn. I always leave the comment section open because I want you all to learn how to do this for yourself and not be dependent on some other YouTubers, be dependent on some other news pundit, reading articles. It doesn't take that much. The market is already showing us what it wants to do. Just got to pay attention. So since you saw this video, since you saw my thoughts, my perceptions as to what I think the market is going to do, drop me yours. I want to know, what do you all think? Give me your price predictions. Give me your price targets for Monero. Let me know real quick. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.